What's up, Tech King? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be showing you a really cool feature that I'm pretty sure 99% of you do not know about. If you do, leave it in the comment section down below. Let's go ahead and start this video. What's up, everyone? Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is in good health. Thank you guys for coming through once again. But I just want to show you a secret feature that I feel like a lot of people don't know about, and it has to do with the health of your phone and a few different other aspects that I think you guys should go ahead and check out. Now, what we're going to be doing is going into the Galaxy Store. So if you guys don't have the Galaxy Store on your phone, you need to go ahead and download that again. We're going to go straight into the Galaxy Store after this. And what you're going to do now is go ahead and look up an application called Samsung Members. Now, you guys do have to actually go ahead and sign in with your Samsung account. So if you don't have one, you need to make one. And we're going to go ahead and download this app called Samsung Members. It's on the Galaxy Store and every Galaxy device. And we're going to go ahead and open this up. Now, once in Samsung Members, we have a bunch of different helpful things that are going to help you on your Galaxy device. But what we're going to want to do is go ahead and click on Get Help down below, as you guys can see. And after that, you're going to want to go to Phone Care. So go ahead and click on Phone Care right here. It shows your phone model right there, by the way. We're going to go ahead and go to Phone Care. Now, a lot of people do not know about this, and I want to go ahead and bring you guys through this. So it says, make sure you're getting the best performance from your phone. So this is going to help your phone's performance out. This is going to help a bunch of different things out that you guys need to go ahead and check out. So if you guys have any type of issue with your phone, this is the place that you're going to want to go ahead and diagnose what's actually wrong. And as you guys see, we can optimize these settings. We have a button right here called automatic checks, and it looks like we need to optimize our settings, so we're going to go ahead and do that in a second. But we also have something called interactive checks, which is really cool. So go ahead and click on interactive checks, and it basically checks all the hardware to make sure you are getting the best from it. So if anything is broken inside of the phone, whether it's a fingerprint sensor, the USB charger, you guys can go ahead and check it right here. The camera, headphone jack. So if anything on your phone for some reason in the future is not working, you're definitely going to want to go ahead and diagnose it through this application, and then obviously go back to your respected dealer you purchased the phone from if you have a warranty, and go ahead and get that fixed for you. But as you guys see, we have battery right here. We're going to go ahead and click on battery, and it looks like our battery life is good. Now, for some people, the battery life won't be good, and if the battery life isn't, it's going to say bad. And basically that means we have some draining of this battery, and the battery health is not to the highest point it should be at. So it says the typical capacity has been tested under third-party laboratory conditions. The typical capacity is the estimated average considering the deviation in battery capacity among the battery samples tested under the IEC standard. It says the rated capacity is 4,370 milliamps. Actual battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns, and other factors. It says the typical capacity has been tested under the third-party laboratory conditions. The typical capacity is the estimated average considering the deviation in battery capacity among the average samples tested under the IEC standard. The rated minimum capacity is 4,370 milliamps. Actual battery life may vary depending on network environment, usage patterns, and other factors. So if you guys want to go ahead and, diagnose where your battery is at as far as its lifespan, you guys can just go to here, and we're just going to want to go ahead and click through each of these. So this is kind of an interactive thing. Now, for the other things we're going to want to test on this device, such as Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, touchscreen, we're going to actually have to allow those. So we're going to click on this. It says to use this feature, you need to allow permission in settings. So we're going to go ahead and click on that again. Click settings, then we're going to go to the permissions over here, and as you guys see, these are all denied, so we're just going to go ahead and allow this while using the application. All of these, go back, and it looks like no permissions are denied. So now you can go through this smoothly. Let's go ahead and click on Bluetooth. Go ahead and turn on Bluetooth in our phone settings. So let's go ahead and turn that on. So it looks like that is working. We're going to go to Wi-Fi next. Wi-Fi is working. Touchscreen. Just to make sure there's no dead pixels. Then you're going to go ahead and swipe over. Hard keys. Go ahead and press the volume key up, down, side key, and all of them are normal. We have vibration right here. Go ahead and click vibrate. It is vibrating. Camera is working as well. And you can go ahead and go through all of these different options. We have fingerprint as well, which is cool. So if you guys have any issue with your fingerprint sensor, fingerprint's working, SIM card is working, but we don't have any in there, and charger port is going to be working. So you can go ahead and check all these off of your list just to see how your phone is working. We can also optimize our memory. So if you would like to clean memory, we can go ahead and free up some space right now. So it's checking. It says improve your phone's performance by stopping apps from running in the background. As you guys can see, freed up 999 megabytes, total 8 gigabytes, and available 4.4 gigabytes. And we also have the option to go ahead and optimize our settings on this as well. So if you guys want to go ahead and do that, click on optimize all, click OK, OK again. And you guys can go ahead and optimize the screen brightness, the screen timeout, Bluetooth, NFC, and other things like that. But I just thought this was a really cool feature that a lot of people didn't know about, and I feel like you guys should go ahead and check it out just to go ahead and verify that your phone is in good health, especially if you're trying to sell your phone used to somebody else. You don't want to give them something that's, in bad condition, or maybe you do. I don't know what type of person you are. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this, and hopefully you guys did get some help out of this, or learn something new. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you're not a part of the Tech Gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Safan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.